If you want to change the DPI settings on your Samsung phone, so here's how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on About Phone. From here, just tap on Software Information, and on this page, just tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Now just enter the lock screen pin, then select OK. After you enable developer options on your Samsung phone, then go back to the main settings page, and at the bottom of the page, you will find the option of developer options. Just tap on it. Now in the search bar, just search this and tap on minimum width. From here, just tap on minimum width, and from here you can change the DPI settings as you like. You can increase or decrease the DPI settings from here, just like that. And this is how you can change the DPI settings on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.